Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourself, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Welcome to part 39 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where I break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical, simple answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Deposit Policy. Question: As per the Green Deposit Framework, the framework became effective from option A 1st January 2023, option B 8th February 2023, option C 1st June 2023, option D 11th April 2023. Correct answer is option C 1st June 2023. Question: Green deposits under the bank's policy shall be accepted in which category with respect to premature closure? Option A non-callable category exclusively. Option B callable category with MIC and QIC not permitted. Option C a special category exempt from any penalty. Option D only in the cumulative deposit form. Correct answer is option B callable category with MIC and QIC not permitted. Question: Green deposits under the bank's scheme shall be accepted in which currency? Option A any freely convertible foreign currency. Option B Indian rupees only. Option C USD only. Option D both INR and USD. Correct answer is option B Indian rupees only. Question: Which of the following projects is explicitly excluded from green deposit financing under the framework? Option A solar and wind energy projects. Option B hydropower plants larger than 25 megawatt. Option C sustainable forestry management. Option D green building construction. Correct answer is option B hydropower plants larger than 25 megawatt. Question: Under the Green Deposit Financing Framework, unallocated, temporarily parked proceeds pending deployment can be invested in liquid instruments with a maximum original tenure of option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 2 years, option D 3 years. Correct answer is option B 1 year. Question: The allocation of funds raised through green deposits during a financial year is subject to option A one-time audit and inspection only, option B an annual independent third-party verification assurance, option C no external verifications, only internal audit, option D a verification only if RBI specifically demands it. Correct answer is option B an annual independent third-party verifications assurance. Question: A review report on green deposits must be placed before the board of directors within how many months of the end of the financial year? Option A 1 month, option B 2 months, option C 3 months, option D 6 months. Correct answer is option C 3 months. Question: Which of the following activities is explicitly listed as an eligible clean transportation activity under the green deposit use of proceeds? Option A manufacturing of petrol-based two-wheelers. Option B adoption of clean fuels like electric vehicles including charging infrastructure. Option C constructions of new highways for fossil fuel vehicles. Option D expansion of airports. Correct answer is option B adoption of clean fuels like electric vehicles including charging infrastructure. Question: Which of these is explicitly excluded from green deposit financing under the exclusions category? Option A sustainable water management projects. Option B direct waste incineration. Option C green building retrofits. Option D terrestrial biodiversity conservations. Correct answer is option B direct waste incineration. Question: As per the policy, the depositor placing funds under the green deposit scheme must submit an undertaking permitting the bank to option A use the funds for any general banking purpose. Option B verify the end use of funds and its impact on environment and sustainability. Option C convert the deposit to equity shares. Option D transfer the deposit to a third party NGO. Correct answer is option B. Verify the end use of funds and its impact on environment and sustainability. Question. What is the maximum number of persons in whose favor nominations can be made for a deposit account? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option C 4. Question. Where nomination is made successively in favor of more than one person, the nomination shall be effective only in favor of one person as per the order of priority specified under which section of the Banking Regulation Act 1949? Option A Section 26A, option B Section 45ZA, option C Section 45ZG, option D Section 35AA. Correct answer is option C Section 45ZG. Question. If a nominee dies before receiving the deposit from the bank under a simultaneous nomination arrangement, the nomination in respect of that nominee alone. Option A automatically transfers to the next nominee in the list. Option B becomes ineffective and that portion is treated as if nomination had not been made. Option C reverts entirely to the surviving joint account holder. Option D is exceeded to the state government. Correct answer is option B becomes ineffective and that portion is treated as if nomination had not been made. Question. If a prospective customer refuses to avail the nomination facility despite being informed, the bank shall. Option A refuse to open the account under any circumstances. Option B proceed to open the account after obtaining a written declaration of refusal or recording refusal if the customer won't sign. Option C open the account only after RBI has specific written approval. Option D mandatorily assign a bank official as the nominee. Correct answer is option B. Proceed to open the account after obtaining a written declaration of refusal or recording refusal if the customer won't sign. Question. Under any one or survivor's mandate held by A, B, and C, upon the death of A, the balance is thereafter paid to B or C. Option A. Individually and separately, split equally regardless of instructions. Option B. Jointly as surviving account holders. Option C. Only after obtaining a fresh court order. Option D. Only to the eldest surviving holder. Correct answer is option B. Jointly as surviving account holders. Question. In a joint account with operated jointly mandate, all instructions in the account shall be accepted. Option A under signature of any one account holder. Option B under joint signatures of all account holders. Option C under the signature of the first named holder only. Option D under a majority vote of holders. Correct answer is option B under joint signatures of all account holders. Question. The addition or deletions of a joint account holder's name at the request of all joint holders is subject to which conditions regarding a term deposit? Option A. It requires a completely new PAN card. Option B. The amount or durations of the original deposit shall not undergo any change. Option C. The automatically extends the maturity by 1 year. Option D. It is permitted only after a lock-in of 6 months. Correct answer is option B. The amount or durations of the original deposit shall not undergo any change. Question. As per the stop payment facility, the bank will accept instructions in respect of checks issued and reported lost. Option A only within 24 hours of issuance. Option B until receipt of the stop payment instruction and non-payment of the check. Option C only for checks above rupees 10,000. Option D only if reported through registered post. Correct answer is option B until receipt of the stop payment instructions and non-payment of the check. Question. The bank's use of customers' information for cross-selling of services products by the bank, its subsidiaries and affiliates requires. Option A no contest as it is deemed implied. Option B strictly the consent of the account holder. Option C only notifications via SMS without consent. Option D approval solely from the Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is option B strictly the consent of the account holder. Question. If a depositor does not get a response from the bank within how many days from the date of complaint, they have the right to approach the banking ombudsman. Option A 15 days, option B 30 days, option C 45 days, option D 60 days. Correct answer is option B 30 days. Question. The Bank The Bank of India Green Deposit and Financing Framework policy in the reference list was originally dated option A 23rd June 2023, option B 24th January 2024, option C 25th September 2023, option D 20th December 2023. Correct answer is option B 24th January 2024. Question. Which committee decides the rate of interest on term deposits generally, factoring cost benefit analysis and funds requirement? Option A Credit Sanctioning Committee, option B Asset Liability Management Committee ALCO, option C Risk Management Committee, option D Board Audit Committee. Correct answer is option B Asset Liability Management Committee ALCO. Question. In respect of an account with either a survivor mandate held by A and B in case of premature closure while both are alive, whose signatures are required? Option A only A's signature, option B only B's signature, option C signatures of both individual account holders, option D no signature is required if either is contactable by phone. Correct answer is option C signatures of both individual account holders. Question. For a deceased FCNRB depositor, if the deposit is claimed before the maturity date, interest is paid. Option A at the contracted rate regardless of tenure run with no penalty. Option B at the rate applicable to the period the deposit remained with the bank without charging penalty for prepayment. Option C at zero interest since the depositor is deceased only after conversion into an NRE account. Correct answer is option B at the rate applicable to the period the deposit remained with the bank without charging penalty for prepayment. Question. As per the overnight alternative reference rate ceiling structure on FCNRB deposits for a period of 1 year to less than 3 years, the ceiling is the reference rate plus option A 200 basis points, option B 300 basis points, option C 400 basis points, option D 500 basis points. Correct answer is option C 400 basis points. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.